Unleash the power of Agile. Level up your management game. Are you tired of projects going off track? Do you dream of a workplace where teams collaborate seamlessly and deliver exceptional results? Then buckle up. We're about to unlock the secrets of the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, a powerful methodology that can revolutionize your management style and transform your organization. Get ready to discover how SAFe can help you navigate the complexities of today's fast paced business environment. We'll explore its core principles, dive into real world applications, and empower you to implement its transformative practices. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped to lead your teams with confidence and achieve remarkable outcomes. Intrigued? Let's get started. Navigating the SAFe landscape, your roadmap to success. Before we delve into the intricacies of SAFe, let's take a moment to understand its core components. Think of SAFe as a toolbox filled with principles, practices, and tools designed to enhance collaboration, accelerate delivery, and boost overall productivity. At its heart, SAFe emphasizes values like alignment, transparency, and built in quality. It provides a structured framework for organizing teams, managing work, and delivering value to customers in an anasako tenacity continue continuous flow. Imagine a well oiled machine where every cog works in harmony to achieve a common goal. That's the power of SAFe. Ready to explore the key elements of this powerful framework? Let's dive in. SAFe Essentials. Demystifying the Framework. Now that you grasp the essence of SAFe, let's break down its key elements. SAFe operates on different levels, each building upon the other to create a cohesive and scalable system. At the team level, SAFe leverages agile principles and practices like Scrum and Kanban to empower teams to deliver value iteratively and incrementally. Moving up, we encounter Agile Release Trains, or ARTs, which are virtual organizations of multiple Agile teams working together towards a shared objective. SAFe doesn't stop there. It provides guidance for coordinating large solutions and even portfolios of work, ensuring alignment across the entire organization. This comprehensive approach allows companies of all sizes to benefit from agile methodologies, regardless of their complexity. Curious to see how SAFe translates into real world scenarios? Let's explore some practical examples. SAFe in action. Real world applications. Imagine a software development company struggling to deliver new features on time and within budget. By implementing SAFe, they can establish clear roles and responsibilities, improve communication across teams, and break down large projects into manageable iterations. This results in faster delivery cycles, improved quality, and increased customer satisfaction. But SAFe's applicability extends far beyond software development. Picture a large financial institution seeking to streamline its operations and enhance customer experience. By adopting SAFe principles, they can improve collaboration between departments, reduce bottlenecks, and adapt quickly to changing market demands. These are just a few examples of how SAFe can transform organizations across various industries. Can you envision the positive impact it could have on your own workplace? Join the Agile Revolution. Your journey starts now. We've only scratched the surface of SAFe's potential, but hopefully, you now have a better understanding of its power and versatility. By embracing its principles and practices, you can unlock a world of possibilities for your organization and yourself. What aspects of SAFe resonated most with you? What challenges do you foresee in implementing it within your own context? Share your thoughts and questions below. Let's learn from each other's experiences. Ready to embark on your SAFe journey? Numerous resources are available to guide you, from online courses to certified training programs. Start exploring today and transform your management skills for a more agile and successful tomorrow. Um,